Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink.
Longitudinal waves are waves in which the displacement of the medium is in the same direction as or the opposite direction to the direction of the travel of the wave.
What Patrick is doing here is he's putting a string around a slinky, and you guys have to watch what happens to the string when he snaps. When he sends a longitudinal wave down the string, imagine if the string was a tall building. You'll see what happens if a longitudinal wave comes. The point on the Earth's surface, vertically above the focus of an earthquake, is an epicenter. Earthquakes are caused by waves, specifically longitudinal waves. Another example of a longitudinal plane is a tsunami. Here, Patrick is squeezing one end of a slinky and letting go, and there's a wave going through the spring, just by squeezing and spreading, with no motion up and down. If a wave is going one way, the medium is going back and forth.